We had a coalition agreement with President Uhuru Kenyatta. We were decent. We did not have to go to any length to be able to work together. I want to ask fellow leaders, if you know in a certain arrangement there are some deceitful, dishonest conmen, don't involve yourself in their arrangement. You come where decent people are, who can keep their word without being forced by any constitution or any law. Hii mambo ya sheria, it is the biggest shame of any country that a law has to be passed so that to stop the deceit and the conmanship of some leaders, the dishonesty of some leaders. I don't know how we can legislate honesty into the law. It is the biggest indictment on leaders that their word means nothing.